For this problem, we need to find 5 numbers with a mean of 8.7 and a median of 8.4. Since we have an odd number of values, the median must be the middle number when the data is sorted. So let's assume the data is sorted and place 8.4 right in the center. Now let's look at the mean. To get an average of 8.7 from 5 numbers, their total sum must be 8.7 times 5, which is 43.5. Since we already have a middle number 8.4, the remaining 4 numbers must add up to 43.5 minus 8.4, which gives 35.1. To keep it simple, let's pick values for the first 2 spots. Remember, to keep 8.4 as our median, these first 2 numbers cannot be greater than 8.4. So let's just use 0 and 0. That leaves 35.1 to be split between the last 2 spots. If we put 10 in the 4th position, the final spot will be 35.1 minus 10, which is 25.1. This gives us exactly the mean and median we need. Now, what if we wanted a set of 4 numbers instead? When a set is even, the median is the average of the 2 middle values of sorted data. The easiest way to handle this is to make both middle observations 8.4. For the mean to be 8.7, the total sum of these 4 values must be 8.7 times 4, which is 34.8. If we subtract the 2 middle numbers totaling 16.8, we are left with 18 for the remaining 2 spots. Remember, to keep our median at 8.4, the first number cannot be larger than 8.4, and the last number cannot be smaller than 8.4. So let's set the first number to 0. That means the final number must be 18. And there you have it, a mean of 8.7 and a median of 8.4. Thanks for watching.